Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting feature of Discord, adding GIFs to your photos on your Android device. This feature can really spice up your messages, making conversations more engaging and fun. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't already, log into your account and get ready to create some animated memories. Next, navigate to the chat or server where you want to send your photos. Whether it's a direct message to a friend or a lively server group chat, choose the right place for your creation. Once you're in the chat window, look for the plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon will open up your gallery, where you can choose the photo you'd like to enhance with a GIF. After selecting your photo, tap on the pencil icon located at the bottom left of the image. This will open up the editing options for your photo, allowing you to add all sorts of fun elements. Now tap the emoji icon and then select Sticker. This is where the magic happens. You'll discover a variety of GIFs and stickers to choose from. Scroll through and pick the one that best fits your photo and mood. Once you've picked the perfect GIF, it's time to send it off. Tap the send icon located at the top right corner of your screen, and just like that, you've transformed your photo with a GIF. And there you have it. You've successfully added a GIF to your photo on Discord. Have fun experimenting with this feature, and happy chatting.